Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 2220 minimum bit flips to convert a number. But before that, I would like to urge you all, then you know the same drill, that is keep subscribing to my channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, tell me that any feedback which you would like to give, some explanation is more you want some more defined explanation, something else, just please drop a comment and let the YouTube know that we are making content around programming. And let's just dive into the question, that is a bit flip. Basically we know that changing it from a binary representation of 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. For example, for x the binary representation is 111 and we may choose any bit, like the rightmost or the leftmost. Basically we need till the minimum number of bit flips to make the given number start, and we'll be given two integers start and goal. We have to return the minimum number of bit flips to convert start to goal. For example, we are given the start is 10 and our goal is 7. So start, that is 10, is represented as, if I'm not wrong, it should be 1010 in the binary representation, and 7 is, I'm just adding a 1 for safety, 0111. Okay, so we need to tell the minimum number of bit flips to make 10 equal to 7. So for that, what we can do is we can change from 0 to 1, so that will be 1. 1 and 1 we don't have to change, then again 0 and 1 we are having, so we can we need two operations, and 1 and 0 we need three operations in total to make 10 equal to 7. So this is what we have to find, that what are the minimum number of steps in which we can convert the number from start to goal. So let's first have the answer number of bit flips, and then let's do XOR. XOR, basically what it will do, it will turn the number of it will tell the not set bits. Basically 1 and 0, 1, if we do XOR of 1 and 0, it will basically give me 1. But if we do XOR of same numbers, it will, well, like 0 and 0 and 1 and 1, so it will tell me 0, because in the places we'll be having 0 and 0, 1 and 1, we don't need to make any change over there, so we'll be having our answer from the rest of the bits. Okay, so we'll be doing a start. Okay, start XOR goal, and then while XOR is not equal to 0, we'll be checking that where all we need the the bit flips, and we'll be updating our answer as XOR and 1. And then what I'll have to do is I'll have to make right shift XOR by 1, and at the end I'll be having the return in the answer, because I'll be having my answer in the answer variable, because we don't need to in the, well, we'll be doing XOR, we don't have to flip the bits at those places which are having the same value. We have to just flip at the values where it's changed. So XOR and 1 will tell me, and then after just right shift and XOR by 1 will tell me for the next bit what I have to do, and at then I'll return answer, and let's hit the submit button directly without, oh, let's just give it a run also, but it will get accepted first. Yeah, and it gets accepted as well. Okay, so it's a bit laggy, my system has become, okay. mm, yeah, and it gets accepted, and it runs as well. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.